The most powerful production car of its day, the DBS V8 was the last Aston Martin model produced at the famous Newport Pagnell factory under the late Sir David Brown's ownership. Built and delivered midway through the model's life in May 1971, this Bahama Yellow finished example of the charismatic DBS V8 was completed to UK specifications in Sierra Blue over black hides and equipped with automatic transmission. Quite evidently, sparingly used and well cared for, this car retains its original Connolly Black hide interior, showing only slight signs of wear. Surprisingly, of the 402 DBS V8s built, just 11 were manufactured in the iconic Bahama Yellow, with fewer remaining. After many years of exhaustive searching for this colour combination and quality, the last owner purchased this car and subsequently embarked on a programme of mechanical improvements and maintenance works carried out by the renowned DBS specialists Aston Engineering of Derby. Recommended works carried out included a thorough engine tune, tappet clearances checked and set, rear axle rebuild, new stainless steel exhaust system, rebuilt fuel metering and pump, as well as front and rear suspension rebuilds with upgraded components, a new starter motor and miscellaneous running repairs. In fact, a total expenditure since 2015 in excess of £25,000 has ensured the car is in superb driving conditions, complementing the chassis, body, paint and interior's high standard as presented. Details of the recent comprehensive works are available on request. Star of the beloved 1971-2 television series The Persuaders, a Bahama Yellow DBS driven by the late Sir Roger Moore of 007 fame, competed for screen honours with a red Ferrari Dino, steered by Hollywood legend Tony Curtis. Their friendly rivalry, echoed in their choice of cars, filmed in Europe's most fashionable hotspots, remains etched in many memories. Inspected, prepared and supplied fully serviced, MOT tested and warranted, along with the history file, factory build sheet and Aston Martin heritage certificate. The car is on show now at our Hertfordshire showroom.